Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby K here from Pip Syndicate. First thing I want to say, man, shout out to all the dads out there, man. Happy Father's Day. I just got back from church, man. We had a nice cookout. We had a jousting thing there. They had like one of those big balloon houses there for the kids to jump around in. It was a good time, man. So happy Father's Day, man, to all you guys out there, man. Appreciate you guys. All right, I want to talk about stop loss, guys. I do not use a stop loss. I've been trading like this for over a year now, okay? And my win rate is phenomenal. If I run with the trade, I always make more money. Let me say, first of all, man, if you're like one of these guys that's already successful trading, you got a Lambo, million subscribers, all that stuff, this probably isn't for you, man. So, we're trading on the 1 minute chart with a small lot size, and we're compounding our accounts here daily. We're building our accounts. Okay, we're building our accounts up daily with win after win after win. We haven't lost in months on this channel. And we trade every day, 9 o'clock. You're welcome to come join us, man. All right, but I'm going to show you, this is a trade we took the other day. Okay, I'm going to show you real quick how I trade and the theory behind it and how it's been working so far. All right, so this is NAS 100 on the 1 minute. I got my sections here, my supports and resistances set up, okay, by the indicator that I use for that, okay. But let me get started here. Let me just start the chart. We'll talk about it. Let's watch the candles for a sec. Okay, you see that? It just crossed below that area. I had the box here. I was looking for a buy when it came to that box. It swept it, right? So it took the equity. So I would have entered right here as soon as it swept the, took the equity. I would have entered, and that's exactly what I did. You can find this trade live. If you go to my channel, go to May 30th, you'll see this is the trade we took live that morning. Okay, so now let me, so we're in the trade now for a buy on NAS 100. Okay, so it's messing around. It's like consolidating. It went against us. Okay, now let me just say, this is another point of interest that I had here. It's another demand zone or a support zone that I said on the live that, okay, guys, if this goes against me, I'm going to take another entry right here. This is, we all, for everyone who uses the same indicator. Indicator is free, guys. By the way, I'm not selling an indicator. I'm not selling anything. I don't have a course, nothing. We just trade every day, man, with a 96% win rate. So let's see what happens here, guys. I'm waiting for it to come, either go up, go up, give me some profit, or come here and I'll take another entry. Same thing here, guys. But let's go. Let's see what it does. Okay. I entered here. All right, so now I'm in 2 buys on NAS. Right? So I'm in 2 buys on NAS. And I'm thinking about I'm probably saying, okay, if it comes here, I'm going to take one more buy, guys. Because there's nothing really below that. I'm going to take another buy here. If it has to pop through this box and take the equity. Let's see what happens. I don't think it went down that far because I never got in for the 3rd entry. Yeah, it never gave me that entry. I don't think it did. Let's see. Okay. So now you see here, it came up here into this box. That means this first trade is in profit by a few pips. So I closed this trade. When they both turn blue, when this one turns blue, I close this one full. Let me see how many pips that was. We'll call it, it's like 48. We'll call it 40 pips, 45 pips, whatever. I will call it 40 for argument's sake, depending on where you got it. So now I'm plus 40 pips, right, guys? Let me put that here. Should have had this there already, man. Sorry, guys. I'm a caveman on the computer. All right, so plus 40 pips. We got that in the bank already. All right, now look, what would have happened, guys, if you were trading Fibonacci and all this crap these guys try to teach you, all these rules they teach you? right? They're all junk, man. I found them all to be junk, man. You know, Fibonacci, trap candle, 1-to-1, 1-to-2. You would have been out here already. Be going, we lost 40 pips. We really got stopped out over here or something. Minus 40 pips. We'll try again tomorrow, you know. Not me, bro. All right, let's see what happened. Let's let it play out. Back in profit. Now, seeing that this is here, guys, if I think it's going to go higher, I'll probably take profit here. This is the only time I'll use a stop loss is after I take profit. So let me just pause it for a second. All right. Let me see how many pips that is. Approximately, guys. So that's 66 pips. So that's perfect. You know, that's like, we'll call it 60 pips. Okay. I probably would have took half profit there. Right. And then I always do the same thing every day. If you come join us live, you'll see. Once I take profit, I'll put a line somewhere down here. And I'll put a stop loss. But it's got to be in profit. That's the only time I put a stop loss. I already took profit, and my stop loss is in profit. So my stop loss is probably right around here somewhere. And I got 30 more pips in the bank. All right, guys, instead of being stopped out 40 pips, let's see if it goes all the way. I don't remember, but I think it did. It's taking too long. But anyway, guys, if it stops me out, it stops me out. I already got 30 pips plus whatever this is, probably 5, 10 pips. Okay, stop me out right there. So now, instead of getting minus 30, minus 40 pips here at the beginning and calling it a day, we took another entry, right, at another support. We didn't get this entry. If we would have got this entry, if it would have came down here and swept this box, right, that's another almost 50 pips. We'll call it 40 pips. Another 40 pips. But it didn't do it, so I wouldn't have taken it. I don't take it unless it sweeps. So that would have been 40, right? 50, 67, about 75 pips. Okay, instead of minus 40 or minus 30, wherever your stop loss was. All right, guys, so that's the deal, man. We do this every day. You know, go look at if you want to see my results. I made a video showing my results for all of last year. Okay, I started doing this last year. I didn't make a video about trading like this until I did it for a whole year. And I made a video about it called 96% win rate with proof. It's the only video on my channel that has I think it's got like close to 800 views. Go check that out and look at the results, guys, and come join us, man. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, guys. Appreciate you guys. Happy Father's Day again to you guys, man. Stay blessed. Have a great day on purpose. And I'll see you tomorrow at 9 a.m., guys. All right? Tune in tomorrow, man. We'll trade together. We'll have some fun. All right, guys? Cheers, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks, guys.